Are you guys ready to see what $5.49 million brand new build right here in Southern Highlands Golf Club looks like? Get ready because we're about to go inside and take a look. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, you got to stick around to check this property out. My name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker, and this channel is designed for everything Las Vegas, real estate and lifestyle. So if you're looking for properties here in Las Vegas, whether it be in something like this or just your basic properties here in Vegas, we'd love to help you out. We're hearing from people all across the country and all across the world. Information is below. Please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to help you find your dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Let's go inside and check this baby out. You guys ready to go take a look at this modern mansion right here in Southern Highlands Golf Club? Let's go. As you walk up, you can see we've got the circular drive here. We do have a 7+ car garage in this property. We got the glass panel doors for the garages, but this is a larger space here. You got the that, and we've also got another garage on the other side over there. So come on up. Beautiful stone lay on the front of the property here. You got some wood accents coming in, so it gives it a real good modern look. And as you walk up this way, let's go check out the other side real quick. Again, you got the other side of the garage on here for another 2+ cars in there. These garages are huge. Okay, so over on this side of the house, we've got the other 2-car garage. Come on in. Basically a 2.5-car garage. Again, both sides are going to have the glass panel doors. We've got the AC units, and then we've also got the tankless water heaters over here. So that does make 3 for the entire property that I've seen so far. Come on in. This front door is one of my favorite features of this entire house. It's got to be about 12, 14 feet door right here, and it is massive. Hard to push. Welcome to absolute luxury. As you walk in, we've got a small office off to the right here. Glass panel doors. You got doors out to the front as well. But look at this space. It is just gorgeous. So there's going to be lots to unpack in this entire house, obviously. So we're going to try to keep it flowing, but we're going to be all over the place. So first, what I want you to see here is this massive floor-to-ceiling fireplace that we have here, an entertainment center built in, right? Got this wine rack, wine cooler off to the side of the kitchen over here. And then we're gonna kind of walk this way on this side of the house first, because this is the kitchen area I want to show you guys. Okay, you got your formal dining area here. Got your glass panel doors that open up all the way and lets the outside in on both sides of the house and upstairs. We'll show you the upstairs in just a minute, but this is absolutely gorgeous. But Parker, turn around and let's take a look at this kitchen. Massive kitchen island here. Got all of your built-ins, high-end Thermador appliances in here. Everything's Thermador. Massive double sinks here. Dual dishwashers. This is a must in a kitchen like this. Dual dishwashers. Got the big gas 6 burner grill here with the kitchen, with the chef's faucet going in there. Just Beautiful kitchen. Look at all the cabinets and counter space that you have in here. Uppers and lowers. Tell me how you get into that cabinet up there. Got to bring a step ladder. So come on back here and you got your sort of the chef's kitchen back here. So kitchen behind the kitchen. Another fridge in the back here. Take a look back here. Just keeps going. Back here we've got our laundry room. So there's going to be actually 3 laundry rooms in this house. We've got one here and then one in each of the masters. So we've got 2 master bedrooms in this property, one downstairs and one upstairs. In each of those primary bedrooms, you're going to have your own laundry room within. So this is your dog wash, right? Put Fluffy in there and get him cleaned up and ready to go. Okay, you got the utility sink in there, a nice big window. Everything is just absolutely open and airy, and it just feels amazing in here. Okay, let's step into the home theater. Got the home theater. I love all of these backsplashes here with this tile. Beautiful. You've got the utility, you got the sink in here. Got our beverage cooler for the theater. Everything you can possibly need. The tiered seating in here. So we've got some photos of some staging in here, so what it would look like if we did have furniture in here, but this is cool. The coffered ceilings, indirect lighting, and then you've got built-in speakers that surround this entire house. It's all a smart house, all designed that way. So come on in over here. Yes, we got another office area over here. I guess it could be a bedroom if you wanted to, but it's got a wet bar there with a fridge and its own full bathroom on this side. Again, these panel doors open wide open to the back. And let's go ahead to the other side of the house. Might get lost in here, it's so big. Look at these beautiful staircase. You got the steel beams, you got the glass inlays, stone for the steps. And this is one of the bathrooms for the main living area here. And then you come into the downstairs primary bedroom. So again, we've got one downstairs and one upstairs. So as you walk in, all the lights are activated by movement. So walk into the closet, lights come on, all the lighting within the closets here. So you've got a closet there. Walk into the main. Again, you've got a wet bar over here in your bedroom with the sink and the refrigerator. Another fireplace off to the side here with entertainment on the wall. Just beautiful wood inlays in the ceiling up top. And again, got the glass panel doors that open wide open to the backyard and to the pool. Just gorgeous. I love this house. Let's take a look at the primary bathroom down here, downstairs. You got the beautiful tub here. 2 of the toilets on each side you got sinks, both sides are exactly the same. Then you've got the walk-in shower here with your controls. So you got shower heads coming from the top, from the sides, everywhere. Beautiful. So then we walk into the other walk-in closet, and here's where you're gonna have your washer and dryer. So no need to take your clothes anywhere else. You can do all of your laundry and all of your clothes right in here. Amazing. Yeah, and if you can see, we got speakers throughout the entire house. So you can have your music playing throughout this entire house and create moods. And I love these doors throughout the house. All right, ready to head upstairs? Let's go. See, they got the lighting underneath the stairs there, so at nighttime the stairs will just glow. Careful, don't trip. Okay, we're gonna start with this side over here because this is the exact same replica of what was downstairs is upstairs now. So again, we've got a bathroom off to the side here. And then the second primary bedroom upstairs. So again, exact same thing. You've got the closet here, you've got the bathroom here. So it's a mirror image of what we had downstairs. Walk in. Now this closet's gonna have all of the windows in here for you to let in the natural light. Again, you've got your washer and dryer built right in to the walk-in in here. This property's amazing. I absolutely love it. These sinks are really cool too. Do you see these, Parker? You got the drainage at the back. Awesome. Did you see these toilets? Like egg-shaped toilet. What's up? They thought of everything. You come out here and we've got the bedroom area here. And then you've got the glass panel doors again, open wide up. We got the fireplace. You put your entertainment center, your flat screen TV on the top there. And then you walk out here. You got a view of the entire pool from up here. This is the ultimate in living right here. Amazing. Let's count how many times I say amazing throughout this tour. So now we're gonna head to the other end of the upstairs. Again, the steel railings with the glass inlays is beautiful, love it. Here's your electronics room. So you get all your electronic stacks in here. Got its own AC unit in there to make sure to keep everything nice and cool from overheating. So all of your AV audio equipment is in there, your camera stuff, all of that. Got another bedroom off to the end here. Walk in, another big walk-in closet here. Again, everything just turns on automatically as you walk through the house. It's cool. Take a look at that bathroom. All right, let's head to this side. Got another bedroom here, walk-in closet, its own bathroom, got floating cabinets, underneath lighting, and then you've got your own balcony off of this one. Your own very private balcony out here. Good stuff. See what else we have here. Then you have your game room. This here, as you can see, we got some virtually staged here. Your pool table, if you ping pong, whatever you want in here, but this can be your game room with TVs on the walls here. You got your wet bar, cabinets, storage, lighting, and again, these panel doors open wide open for this balcony as well. Let's go down and check out the backyard. Look at the view from here, Parker. Pretty amazing stuff. Did we go in the garage yet? Oh, we need to go to the garage. Don't know how we missed that. There's a lot to see, but let's go check out this garage over here. All right, so you have your mud room right here off of the garage. So hanging your coats and your shoes and things like that. Come on into the garage here. So massive garage, it's all heating and air conditioning in here, so it's all cooled down. You have your utility sink over here. And again, you could probably fit, what, 4, 6 cars in this side alone. So definitely a 7+ car garage because we had the other garage on the other side of the house as well. So massive, massive room here. Then you got another big storage closet here for some of your things. Also, we've got, I think, 3 or 4 of these units in the house right here, which is your tankless water heaters. So you have instant hot water as long as you want. You've got your door that goes off to the side of the house over there, but just massive, wide open. Okay, let's go step out into the backyard and check out this pool. So as you walk in from the front door, it's going to be wide open to the back, and this all opens up. Got a nice little walkway across the pool here, little fountains coming out. This side off of the downstairs primary bedroom, you have your own spa here. Got a massive sun deck right here. Put in some lawn chairs. Looks like it's got an umbrella post in there as well. You put an umbrella there. Got the waterfall coming in off the wall there. Come on over to this side, Park. With the wood inlays, all the woodwork up there, you can see. Just beautiful. On this side, we've got a built-in kitchen over here. So again, you've got the fridge, got your gas grill, utility, you got the sink out here, everything that you need to be cooking and barbecuing for the family. And we've got a small little fire pit out here as well. Little designer fire pit with the artificial turf. Just look at this pool. 1,180 square foot pool. Now that we have restrictions in the county, it will only allow you for a 600 square foot pool. So these are the thing of the past. You can no longer build this type of pool any longer. So if you want something this big, better jump in now. Did you get the analogy there? Did you get that? If you want a pool this big, you better jump in now? Yep. Okay, that's good. Make sure you got that. Okay guys, thanks for coming on the tour with us of this brand new build right here in Southern Highlands Golf Club. Now, Southern Highlands is a guard-gated community with Trent Jones Junior and Senior Design Golf Course. It's a private golf club. This is highly coveted neighborhood here in Las Vegas. And this property is over 7,000 square feet, over 7-car garage, 1,180 square foot pool, just massive. So if you want to know more about this property or anything else here in the Las Vegas Valley, this channel was designed for everything Las Vegas. Please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to help you find your dream home just like this one right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Until next time, we'll see you on the next one.